All right, big day here. We are releasing the new version of Meta AI, our assistant that you can ask any question across our apps and glasses. And our goal is to build the world's leading AI and make it available to everyone. Now, today we're upgrading Meta AI with LLaMA, our new state-of-the-art AI model that we're open sourcing. And I'm going to go deeper on LLaMA 3 in just a minute, but the bottom line is that we believe that Meta AI is now the most intelligent AI assistant that you can freely use. To make Meta AI even smarter, we've also integrated real-time knowledge from Google and Bing right into the answer. We're also making Meta AI much easier to use across our apps. We built it into the search box that's right at the top of WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. So anytime you have a question, you can just ask it right there. And we built a new website, meta.ai, for using it from the web. We're also releasing a bunch of unique creation features. Meta AI now creates animations, and it now creates high-quality images so fast that it actually generates and updates the images for you in real time as you're typing.
So, have you heard the latest scoop? Well, you heard right. It looks like Meta AI, a groundbreaking AI tool developed by Meta, could totally revolutionize the game. It is changing the way users interact with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. And get this, it's powered by the new state-of-the-art LLaMA 3. So hang tight, folks, as we see the incredible capabilities and features of Meta AI and LLaMA 3. Now, trust me, you don't want to miss this. So LLaMA 3 serves as the powerhouse behind Meta AI, equipping it with the ability to understand and respond to users' queries with astonishing accuracy. With LLaMA 3, Meta AI can seamlessly integrate into Meta's vast network of apps, providing users with a smarter, more intuitive interface. Imagine asking a question on Instagram and getting a precise, informed response within seconds. That's the kind of responsiveness Meta AI brings to the table. It's embedded directly into the search functions across Meta's platforms. Users can access this powerful tool simply by typing into the search bar at the top of their app interfaces, be it WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or Messenger. I guess this integration signifies a significant leap forward, making AI a core part of everyday digital interactions, especially according to Mark. Now, the introduction of Meta AI has also expanded beyond mere text responses. Thanks to LLaMA 3's robust capabilities, Meta AI now supports a variety of functions, including creating animations and generating high-quality images in real time. I think these features are about enriching user engagement and content creation across social media platforms. Moreover, the open-source nature of LLaMA 3 underpins Meta's commitment to transparent and collaborative AI development. By sharing LLaMA 3 with the world, I think Meta fosters a community where developers and innovators can build upon this advanced model, driving further advancements in AI. As part of its rollout, Meta AI has been integrated into user interfaces with the promise of making these platforms not only more interactive, but also more helpful. Whether it's searching for information, generating creative content, or getting recommendations, Meta AI is there to enhance the user experience in real time. Okay, let's focus a little more on LLaMA 3. Now, technically speaking, LLaMA 3 leverages a cutting-edge tokenizer system that encodes language inputs more accurately, enabling the AI to understand and generate responses that are contextually nuanced. I really think this could be a game-changer for developers and businesses relying on AI to understand and interact with human language in a more human-like way. Another highlight is LLaMA 3's training regimen. It has been fed a diet of trillions of tokens, making it one of the most well-trained models available in the open-source community. In short, so far nothing else can beat it in this respect. You know, this extensive training allows LLaMA 3 to excel in areas like code compilation, natural language processing, and even creative content generation, setting it apart from its predecessors and competitors. Moreover, LLaMA 3's deployment is designed with efficiency in mind. You know, it's optimized to run smoothly, not just on high-power servers, but also on low-end hardware without sacrificing performance. This makes it incredibly versatile and accessible for a wide range of applications, from mobile apps to complex enterprise solutions. And that's not all, folks. Next, we have Meta's new AI device, their AI glasses. But first, consider subscribing to the channel if you think this video has value. It's free, folks. Now, these AI glasses are designed to seamlessly integrate with Meta AI, and they're powered by the potent LLaMA 3 AI model. You see, these glasses represent a significant leap forward in wearable technology, combining cutting-edge artificial intelligence with practical, everyday utility. You know, these AI glasses seem to be a comprehensive mobile AI system. Equipped with LLaMA 3, as I mentioned, I guess the glasses offer users an interactive experience unlike any other. They enable real-time access to information and digital interaction through voice commands and visual cues, allowing users to navigate the world with unprecedented ease and efficiency. Now, one of the standout features of Meta AI's glasses is their ability to integrate deeply with Meta's platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. This integration allows users to receive notifications, manage messages, and even post updates without ever needing to pull out their smartphone. Whether it's viewing a message received on WhatsApp or checking event updates on Facebook, according to Meta, the glasses keep you connected in the most unintrusive way. Moreover, the AI glasses are designed with privacy and comfort in mind. Hopefully, I would add. You see, they come with built-in privacy filters and adjustable settings to ensure the user can control what they share and when they share it. Possibly, I think the sleek design not only makes them functional, but also stylish, suitable for a wide range of personal styles and preferences. But the real magic lies in how these glasses utilize Meta AI. Through voice commands, users can ask questions or command the glasses to perform tasks like setting reminders, making calls, and more. Talk about innovation. The AI, using LLaMA 3's sophisticated understanding of natural language, processes these requests in real time, providing feedback and actions accurately and swiftly. Furthermore, the glasses are equipped with advanced cameras and augmented reality capabilities. This technology not only captures high-quality video and images, but also overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing how users interact with their environment. I guess that in the best scenarios, whether it's for professional use, like assisting surgeons during operations, or everyday tasks such as navigating city streets, Meta AI glasses could extend the functionality of traditional smart glasses. Additionally, Meta ensures that these AI glasses are not just powerful but also ethical and secure. They incorporate extensive safety features that protect user data and prevent unauthorized access, reflecting Meta's commitment to security in their products. So, Meta's AI glasses seem to be more than just a piece of technology. They're a versatile tool, technically designed to enhance human capabilities and enrich interactions in a digital world. But one thing's for sure, with LLaMA 3 at their core, these glasses are set to redefine expectations for what smart wearable technology can do. So, what can we expect for the future? Well, Meta AI, powered by the innovative LLaMA 3 model, continues to evolve, reflecting Meta's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. The recent updates and the announced future enhancements not only aim to keep Meta AI at the forefront of technology, but also ensures its relevance in a rapidly changing digital landscape. You know, recently Meta has made significant strides in improving Meta AI's capabilities across its various platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. One of the most notable updates is the integration of real-time knowledge from Google and Bing directly into Meta AI responses, enhancing the accuracy and reliability of information the AI provides to users. This feature highlights the level of Meta's commitment to delivering a more intuitive and seamless user experience, making everyday interactions quicker and more efficient. Additionally, Meta has expanded the functionality of Meta AI by incorporating tools that allow for the creation of animations and high-quality images in real time. I really think this update is particularly beneficial for content creators and marketeers who can now generate engaging and dynamic content directly through Meta's platforms, significantly speeding up the creative process and engaging audiences with visually captivating materials. Looking to the future, Meta plans to continue its innovative streak by focusing on multimodal capabilities and larger context windows for LLaMA 3. You know, these enhancements will enable Meta AI to understand and interpret complex user queries even better, paving the way for more sophisticated interactions that go beyond simple question and answer formats. Now, Meta AI's glasses also play a crucial role in the ongoing development of their ecosystem. Future updates are expected to focus on improving the user interface and expanding the glasses' capabilities to include even more personalized and context-aware services. Moreover, Meta has just announced ongoing updates to the LLaMA 3 model itself, which include increasing the model's parameters from 70 billion to a staggering 400 billion. These upgrades will significantly boost the model's learning and processing capabilities, making it one of the most powerful open-source AI models available. This move is anticipated to further cement Meta's position as a leader in AI development, reflecting its dedication to providing cutting-edge technology that is accessible to a wide developer community. To wrap things up, Meta AI and AI glasses are set to become even more integral to how we interact with digital platforms and the physical world. But what do you think, folks? So if you made it this far, drop a meta in the comments below, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a like to stay updated with the latest AI news. See you in the next one, folks. You all take care.